Hi class. Today we're going to be talking about odd and even numbers. So this is a little mini lesson, just a reminder on how we can figure out if a number is even or odd. The easiest way I know in math to show what I know is to draw a picture. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a 10 frame because that's the easiest way for me to decide if a number is even or odd. So here's my 10 frame, and I'm going to be looking at the number 6 and trying to figure out if 6 is even or odd. So the way that I fill out my 10 frame is I'm going to start from the top and do one in the top, one in the bottom, another one in the top, another one in the bottom. So just watch and I'll show you how to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's interesting is that in this 10 frame with our number 6, every single little dot has a friend or has a buddy. So these two are buddies, these two are buddies, and these two are buddies. So because no one's left out and there's no one without a buddy, 6 is an even number. Okay? So if we look at an odd number, this is the number 3. And if I were to fill this out on my 10 frame, I would do 1, 2, 3. So there's a buddy here, and there's a missing buddy there. So this tells me that 3 is an odd number. Okay? Now if I were trying to figure out whether or not a number like 25 is an even or odd number, I could draw all of those 10 frames. So I know I would need 1 10 frame, 2 10 frames, but that's only going to be 20, and then I'm going to need one more to fill out my 5 in. Okay, so then I could go through and I could fill all of this out. So there's my 20, and then I have 5 left over. So I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And because my last number, or my last little dot, doesn't have a buddy, this tells me that 25 is an odd number. But there's an easier way to do that. So with bigger numbers, when we're looking at whether or not that number is even or odd, it really only matters what is in the ones place. Okay? And that's all I need to fill out a 10 frame for. So if I had the number 38, would I care about my 3 that's in my tens place? No. I would really just look at this 8, which is in my ones place, and try and figure out if 8 is an even or odd number. So I would then go ahead and make a 10 frame. And I would try and figure out whether or not 8 is an even or odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have a pair here, a pair here, a pair here, and a pair here. Everybody has a buddy. That tells me that 38 is an even number. Okay, so if you ever get confused about even and odd numbers, this is the video to watch for you. Thank you.